In a world where data breaches and misinformation run rampant, trust is a currency more valuable than gold. Scandals have shattered public confidence in institutions, leaving a void that blockchain technology is poised to fill. Blockchain operates as a secure and immutable ledger, where transactions are verified by a network of computers rather than a single authority. This decentralization enhances transparency and reduces the risk of manipulation. Unlike traditional systems, blockchain distributes data, making it nearly impossible to alter records without consensus. Imagine a healthcare system where your medical history is secure and accessible only to authorized individuals. Blockchain allows for secure data exchange, empowering patients to control their information while maintaining privacy. This represents a significant shift in patient empowerment. In 2016, the notion of using blockchain in healthcare began gaining traction as the challenges of data breaches became increasingly apparent. A high-profile case involving the theft of 80 million records from Anthem, a leading health insurance provider, underscored the urgency of securing sensitive information. The breach was a wake-up call for the healthcare industry, revealing vulnerabilities that had previously gone unnoticed. By 2019, companies like Medical Chain and Chronicled were pioneering blockchain applications, effectively demonstrating how patients could manage their records securely. Picture a bustling hospital. Doctors rush from one patient to the next, while patients wait anxiously. With blockchain, you could pull up your medical history on a secure app, instantly share it with your doctor, and rest assured that your data is protected. The waiting area is filled with a diverse crowd. Some are elderly, others young parents with children. The hum of conversations blends with the beeping of machines, creating an atmosphere of urgency. With a few taps on your device, you access a digital wallet containing your medical credentials, lab results, and treatment history. Instead of rummaging through disorganized paper files, your doctor receives immediate access to the most accurate and up-to-date information. This not only streamlines the consultation process, but also enhances patient outcomes through timely and informed decisions. But the impact of blockchain stretches beyond healthcare. In supply chain management, it is revolutionizing how we trace product origins. In 2017, Walmart, in collaboration with IBM, launched a pilot program using blockchain to trace the origins of mangoes. Within seconds, the system could trace a mango back to its farm, an unimaginable feat in traditional systems. This was not just a technological trial. It marked a pivotal moment in how food safety could be assured at scale. Now, picture a grocery aisle filled with vibrant, fresh produce. Consumers can scan QR codes that reveal the entire journey of their food items, from farm to shelf, restoring trust in the quality and safety of the products they purchase. This real-time tracking capability was put to the test during the E. coli outbreak linked to romaine lettuce in 2018, where Walmart's blockchain system enabled them to trace the contaminated product in mere minutes, significantly faster than traditional methods. In a matter of seconds, customers could be informed whether the lettuce in their cart was safe to consume, illustrating the life-saving potential of this technology. Blockchain's potential extends to voting systems, ensuring secure and verifiable elections. In 2020, the Votes platform began testing blockchain for remote voting, particularly for military personnel and overseas voters. Imagine the anxiety of being thousands of miles away from home during an election. With Votes, these voters could securely cast their ballots from their smartphones, knowing their votes were recorded immutably. This innovation not only enhances voter confidence, but also encourages participation in the democratic process, promising a future where every vote counts, no matter where you are. Visualize a soldier stationed abroad, casting their vote not from a distant polling place, but from the comfort of their barracks, a sense of empowerment that was previously out of reach. In finance, decentralized finance, or DeFi, is changing how financial services are delivered. The rise of DeFi can be traced back to 2018, when Ethereum's platform became the foundation for numerous financial applications. By using smart contracts, users can engage in transactions without intermediaries, revolutionizing traditional banking. The total value locked in DeFi surged from $1 billion in early 2020 to over $80 billion by late 2021, showcasing blockchain's ability to democratize finance. As you walk through a busy financial district, traditional banks are bustling with customers. Yet, more and more people are turning to their mobile devices, bypassing these institutions entirely. They are lending, borrowing, and earning interest, all facilitated by smart contracts on platforms like Aave and Compound, which operate autonomously and transparently. Picture this transformation. A young entrepreneur, previously shackled by the high fees and stringent requirements of conventional banks, now accesses loans directly through blockchain protocols, fueling innovation and reducing barriers to entry. However, challenges remain. Scalability is a significant hurdle. Bitcoin processes about 7 transactions per second, while Visa manages over 24,000. Imagine a global market where every second counts. Waiting for a transaction to be confirmed can be frustrating and impractical. Innovations like Layer 2 solutions, such as the Lightning Network for Bitcoin, aim to enhance scalability, allowing transactions to be processed off-chain and then settled on the main blockchain. Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake, set in motion in late 2020, is another step towards enhancing scalability while reducing energy consumption. As Ethereum 2.0 rolls out, it promises to increase transaction throughput, allowing this blockchain to handle millions of transactions daily, transforming what once seemed impossible into a reality. Regulation is another critical consideration. Governments are grappling with how to regulate decentralized networks without stifling innovation. The European Union's proposed markets in crypto assets regulation aims to enhance consumer protection and provide clarity for businesses. In 2021, the U.S. Senate held hearings to explore how best to regulate cryptocurrencies, with lawmakers expressing both optimism and caution. The discussions reflect a growing recognition of blockchain's potential impact on financial systems coupled with the need to protect consumers from volatility and fraud. Picture congressional hearings filled with experts, their testimonies painting a picture of a technology that could reshape the financial landscape while simultaneously facing scrutiny from lawmakers concerned about accountability. The tension in the room is palpable as questions are raised about the fine line between innovation and regulation that could either propel or hinder progress. As blockchain technology matures, various platforms are competing for dominance. Ethereum leads in smart contracts, but alternatives like Binance Smart Chain and Solana have been gaining traction. Each platform offers unique features tailored to different sectors. Binance Smart Chain boasts low transaction fees, attracting developers looking for cost-effective solutions. In contrast, Solana has positioned itself as a speed demon, capable of processing over 65,000 transactions per second. This competition fosters innovation, pushing each platform to improve its offerings continuously. Imagine a tech expo buzzing with developers showcasing their groundbreaking projects, each vying to capture the attention of investors and users alike. The atmosphere is electric. Developers are animatedly discussing their projects, sharing visions of a future where blockchain is integrated into every facet of life, from real estate to art. The implications of blockchain are profound. In humanitarian aid, organizations like the United Nations World Food Program have begun using blockchain to track food distribution, enhancing transparency and minimizing fraud. For instance, in 2017, the WFP launched a project in Syrian refugee camps using blockchain to distribute food assistance. Refugees received digital vouchers on their smartphones, allowing them to shop in local stores, boosting the local economy while ensuring that aid reached those most in need. Picture a refugee child, once worried about the next meal, now accompanied by their parent to a store, confidently selecting food items knowing that their needs will be met. This could redefine our expectations of governance and transparency, where aid distribution is auditable and secure, restoring faith in humanitarian efforts. While blockchain holds promise, ethical concerns must be addressed. Energy consumption associated with proof-of-work systems raises alarms, urging a transition to more sustainable practices. In 2021, Bitcoin mining was scrutinized for its environmental impact, prompting discussions about the need for greener alternatives. Major players in the cryptocurrency space, including Tesla's Elon Musk, openly questioned the sustainability of mining operations. The global commitment to combat climate change has sparked a call for blockchain technologies to adopt more sustainable practices, such as renewable energy sources and energy-efficient consensus mechanisms. The movement towards eco-friendly solutions is gaining momentum. Additionally, the decentralized nature complicates accountability when failures occur. Imagine a scenario where a smart contract malfunctions, resulting in significant financial losses, Who is to blame? This question of